Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alex and I talk about all things print on demand. But for today's video, I'll actually be reviewing my subscribers' Redbubble shops live on camera so you guys can see what I think of them, anything I think that they can improve on, and what they're doing well. I know you guys really loved the last one I did and I've been getting so many requests to do another one right after I posted that one. So I figured that since so many people applied last time to be reviewed, I would just use that pile or that group of people again and pick some shops out of there because there's so many, so I want to get through some of those. But don't worry, if you want to get selected next time, I'll definitely be sure to make a community post that I'm doing another one of these videos. But either way, even if you don't get featured in today's video, I think it's still a great way to see other shops and kind of compare them to yours and see if there's some things that you're also doing that you can improve on or the areas that you're also doing well. So either way, it's a great video for everyone. So make sure to watch to get some tips out of this and to see if your shop was featured. And of course, before I get into this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm and of course subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Alright, but let's get into my laptop and check out these shops. Okay, so this first shop that I have here is called Stark Trooper. I do have to say I like their background of like the watercolor design, and then it says by Stark Trooper. Honestly, I would just take out this by part and just leave like Stark Trooper and maybe like center it. I think that's good enough. And then maybe just like the black text instead of like the black with the blue and red outline, because I feel like maybe those colors are kind of clashing with all these different colors in the background, but I do like the font. All right, so joined in August 2021. 27 designs, so not too bad. And then the featured collection is Festivities, which is obviously super appropriate for this time of year. And it looks like there's definitely Halloween themed designs here, which all look really good. Yeah, not sure where you're designing these, but they look great. Or if you're buying images. Let's see what else. So we have a couple of collections here. The I don't even know how to say this. Whatever. Anyways, that animal is very popular right now. And then definitely a mix of stuff here, like photography, quotes, images. So why not try your hand at everything when you're first starting out? I do notice right here on this one that there is a bit of white space. I'm not sure, let me just go into that one actually. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's part of the print, but I don't think it is. I think it just didn't like fit properly. So if you can go back into this one and edit it so it's either like a bit more expanded on the item or just move the picture down a little bit so this white space is covered, because that could literally be the make or break point of someone buying your image or your design. Alright, so the title is Beach, Sand, and Boats. Not bad, but once again, you can definitely do a little better with the description words in there. So yeah, you can definitely do like a more descriptive title, like sunny beach day, sunny beach, sandy day, sunny beach day, and boats on the water. I don't know, just throwing out some examples off the top of my head there. The description here, a vacation picture, obviously not too descriptive there, so once again add some more keywords and description words in there. And okay, so now with the tapestry and the poster I can see that there is a lot of white space, or even the duvet, so make sure you are uploading images that are large enough, or you're actually like expanding them once they're in Redbubble. You have the option to zoom in and out. Let's look at your tags. Okay, so your tags are pretty good. Like you do have a lot of good descriptor ones. You have like where it was taken. I would not include fan art in there because that's just kind of tag spamming, because it's obviously not fan art and not related to your picture. But yeah, the rest of them look really good. So apart from a few of those little adjustments, it's definitely a good start to your store. But I want to take a quick break out of this video to thank the sponsor for this portion of the video, .store domains. So I had the idea to start my print-on-demand business when I want to share my photography with the world, and I also wanted to have the potential to work for myself one day. If you've ever had an idea for an online store, right now is the time. Right now, .store domains is hosting an Instagram contest called #IdeaToStore. Like I said, this is an Instagram contest that invites people to share their idea for an online store through video or reels for the chance to win up to $30,000 and a chance to be on TV. So if you ever had an idea or a dream for an online store, even beyond print on demand, it can be really anything. Now's the time to get some validation for the idea and potentially make your dreams come true. All you have to do is sign up on their website, www.idea2.store, and share your online store idea on Instagram through a video or a reel with the hashtag idea2store. And make sure to tag @get.store. So make sure to make a video that really stands out and gets their attention, because from there, 6 winners will be chosen to make it to the next round, all based off of those Instagram videos. After that, the winners of round 1 will be invited to bounce off their ideas off the judges, which include Boss Babe, Seth Godin, and JLD. From here, 2 winners will be chosen, the grand prize winner and the runner-up. And just in case you needed any more motivation to enter this contest, here's a list of all the prizes that could be won. 1 grand prize winner will receive a $20,000 cash prize, 1 runner-up will receive a $5,000 cash prize, 5 weekly lucky draw prizes of $1,000 each to a total of $5,000. Winners for the past week will be announced at the start of the new week on Monday. And lastly, every single person that enters gets a 99% discounted .store domain coupon. So the contest is now open. Make sure to get your entries in as soon as possible, because the last day to get any engagement on your Instagram video you posted for your idea is Sunday, November 14th, 2021. To enter this amazing contest, make sure to visit www.idea2.store. I'll have the link in my description box below, and you can submit all of your details there. I can't wait to see your ideas, and good luck. All right, so the next one we have is King of My Art. I do like this like simple background, but if you can somehow get this actual full image to show up, so maybe like shrink it a little bit so it's like front and center, I think that would look better. And same with the display picture here. And then it says joined May 2021, so fairly new, maybe like 6 months-ish. And 36 designs. Nice. So we have a Halloween collection. Definitely very cute designs, but try your best for whatever collection you have featured to have it like expand to this entire white section, because it just looks a bit like incomplete when it's not. But I do like the designs you have featured there, definitely. And then here you have your collections, which is great. I noticed that both stores so far that I've seen have the featured collection, which is really good. All right, so for your actual shop, I see a few different things going on as well, like the quotes or writing, and then also the images. I think the images are super cute, and then the writing is also kind of like that cute theme, so I feel like it goes all together pretty well. Ooh, I love this one. Oh my gosh, okay, I have to open that one as the one I'll deep dive into. Oh, and even this one's so cute for like a children's room. I love that. Let's go to the bottom. All right. Yeah, that's a good description, short and sweet. And then you also offer customization and have linked your Instagram. So that is great. You can definitely work on favoriting more designs. That's a great way to interact with the community and get more favorites to come your way. That's one thing I could say, but yeah, let's go into this notebook. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this notebook. I'm gonna favorite it, because if I ever need to buy a notebook on Redbubble when I'm doing one of my shop throughs, I will definitely come back to this one. Pretty pastel water lilies round. Okay, so yeah, definitely a good start. Pretty pastel water lilies, I like that. Round, you don't really need that. I'm not sure why it's there. Maybe you could say like spring in there, or blue, green, something like that. Flowers even, because those are like bigger keywords. Like people are more likely to search for flowers as opposed to water lilies, but it's definitely to have both in there. All right, so the description is pastel water lilies. So that's very similar to your title. I would definitely add a little bit more in there just so you have more chances of showing up. Oh, even in the sticker, it's so cute. And the t-shirt, I love it. I just love those colors together. I think you did a great job for that one. All right, so the product tags. Right away, definitely not enough. They are good, the ones you see. I like that you put Monet, because honestly, when I saw that, I thought of Monet right away. So it's definitely good to have that association if someone is searching at Monet. Although I'm not sure if that would be a copyright issue, so maybe look into that, but I see why you did that. And then, yeah, the other ones are pretty good as well, like got flowers, aqua pink, but there's so many more you could put, like springtime, like I said, I don't know, like river, green, plants, stuff like that. So you get the idea. So just add a little bit more just so you can increase your chances of being found. All right, but let's go on to our next store. I really love this store. I feel like you have some great ideas starting out. I would highly encourage you putting more because I feel like you have a lot of like good original designs. So Redbubble loves that, and the more you post, the more likely you can get sales. All right, so the next shop that I have is the Rainbow Room, and wow, this looks super professional. I can tell that you spent a lot of time on this and that you make all of your own original artwork, so A+ for that. I love the banner, not only because it's like original and you can tell you made that art, but also because it's Halloween themed. So I don't know if you change them like, you know, for every season or what, but I think that's super smart to update your banner based on what season or holidays coming up. So I love that. And I love the cartoon portrait you have here. I feel like that goes super well with what looks like to be your store designs. So yeah, love that right away. November 2020 is when you joined, so that's been a while, and it shows because you have a ton of designs up. So right now your featured collection is aquatic animals. Yeah, they all look really good. And then your collections look super professional as well. But yeah, I really like what you've done so far. I feel like everything here looks super unique and like you spent a lot of time on it. So I don't see why you wouldn't be a successful shop. Oh my gosh, these bunnies are so cute. Yeah, let's go to the bottom to your description. Oh, I love that. So it says kind of what you do full time, which is accounting student, and then you like to illustrate on your spare time. So I feel like that's perfect. And then, yeah, you have all that and your Instagram linked. So that's awesome. Great description. And let's go into one of these designs. Let's go into the bunny one because I like that one. And actually you have a variety of colors, so I like that too. All right, so you have watercolor bunny rabbits, pink and blue cotton candy. That is probably the most perfect description I've seen in a while for these Redbubble reviews because you hit everything on point with that. Like they're watercolor, bunny, rabbit, so you get both the bunny and the rabbits. Like if people are searching for different things, then you put the color pink and blue, especially since you have different variations of this. That's super smart. And then cotton candy, because why not? It does look like cotton candy, and you might get like a new person that might be searching for cotton candy with this design. All right, your description is amazing as well. You kind of go over what it is, and then you say great for spring and animal lovers. Very true and, you know, to the point. All right, so you have it on 91 products, which is great. I actually love it on the t-shirt. I'm not sure why they're showing the gray one or if you selected that as the like the main one that shows, but I feel like white would still look nice. The poster, and then sadly the iPhone case isn't loading, but here we have more of your bunny variations, which I love. Ooh, those bears are so nice too. Okay, I'm definitely gonna buy some of these stickers too. I really need to do like a shop with me and buy my subscribers artwork very soon. All right, so we have lots of great tags here. Right off the bat, like it is a little bit more than the 15 to 20 that they recommend, but you know what? I think sometimes, I don't know if it works if you do more, like let me know if these tags have been working for you, but they all seem very relevant, like you're not spamming at all. So I would say just leave them and see how it works. For future artwork, you can put like a bit less, but yeah, they're all very relevant, so I can see how it'd be hard to cut down. But yeah, now that we've reviewed all of that, definitely amazing store, A+, and let me know if you got any sales because I'd be really shocked if you didn't. And I'll definitely remember this one so I can buy from it in the future too. All right, so this next store we have is called Falma 2. So we have Falma 2 clothes here. Just like a slight spelling error. You can put an E after the H just so it's like properly spelled, but that's okay, it's just a minor thing. And then you have Discover Your New World, which is like, seems like kind of their slogan, so that's cool. And definitely a nice picture and nice font to accompany it. A very new shop, just joined last month and 17 designs up already. we have the Christmas collection. So I would just name it like Christmas. Like you don't even need 2021, 2022 because it's kind of like irrelevant. But it seems like you have some cute patterns going on. Yeah, and you have quite a few there. Let's see, you have a few collections. So yeah, it seems like pretty much your store is like more Christmassy right now. You're probably like focusing on that niche, which is great. I feel like some of these, they might need like a little bit more going on just because it's just like white and like one little flower thing. It'd be awesome if you could make that into like a pattern because it is like a really nice design, but I think it would look a lot better with more on that page. Same thing with this one here, like if you can have the flowers like all around like a pattern, that would be great. Yeah, this sounds good, and it lets you know that custom designs are their priority, so they linked all their socials where you can message them and, you know, request a custom design. So let's go into this one and see what it says. So we have Christmas Dear Cute Santa. That's pretty good. Like, I don't know what else you could write. Maybe reindeer or Christmas hat. I don't know. Honestly, that's pretty good and pretty accurate. I don't think there's a description for this one. Yeah, it kind of confused me because like the area was completely missing. Yeah, so this one doesn't have a description. I would definitely add one because it just allows you to put more keywords in there. Yeah, the tags all look great and you really encaptured like a wide variety of people that would be searching it. So you have like animal, retro, dad, like yeah, I feel like a dad would wear something like that, vintage, cartoon, a little bit of everything, so that's awesome. Good job with the tags. And yeah, I feel like you have it on, I think, most products. So if anything, I would just enable this to be on all of the products because I could totally see this working on all the products. So yeah, apart from that, it's a great design, and good luck on your new shop. All right, I hope you enjoyed me reviewing some of my subscribers' stores on camera. Once again, I love seeing them, and honestly, everyone does their own thing like really well most of the time, and there isn't too much to like improve, at least on like a design perspective. Some of the details could be improved, but overall, I'm always so pleasantly surprised with what you guys show me. I don't know if I'm just like happening to click on like good ones, but yeah, you guys are doing awesome, so good job for that. And like I said, I will be doing more of these, so definitely be sure to keep an eye out for when I post for asking for your store links and add them to that so I can see them. But other than that, I think that's all I have for this video. Let me know what other type of videos you want me to film in the comments below. Give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.